1 p.m. and 3 p.m. And of course, for our PEPSOL students who really value strict training, our classes will be at 8:15 a.m., 11:45 a.m., and 4:45 p.m.
Yes, and of course, part ng ating training, ang women's encounter. Parating naman ang mga kamay ng mga magaganda. Yes, kung hindi ka pa nag-encounter, kindly ask your leader kung paano mag-register dito. And of course, our women's encounter will be happening at PBS 5th floor. That will be on August 23, 24, and 25.
At syempre, kahit hindi naman magpapatalo mga kalalakihan. Tama ba, boys?
Yes!
Yes! At ang ating men's encounter will be on August 30 to September 1. Also at PBS Building. Kaya naman mga cell leaders, huwag na huwag tayo magpapahuli. I-register na natin ang mga delegates natin.
Yes, at alam ko isa sa mga inaabangan ng lahat ang ating regional conference. Are you all excited for that? Yes, and 150 pesos lang ito, kaya mag-register na tayo. At yan ay sa darating na September 7.
And right now, we know that you're all excited to be touched and transformed by the Word of God. Kaya naman, huwag na natin patagalin ito. Our speaker for today just graduated from Far Eastern University with a course of BS Accountancy. Let's all welcome Josiah Manabi.